do you think that, what if, for example, let's say we're in a relationship, let's say lang, and you want to be high-key, I want to be low-key. Do you think,
Ooh.
pero super kayo nag-vibe, would that affect like a lot of fights? Kasi for example, feeling mo na I don't think na
Yeah.
like I'm proud of you and like I'm proud you're my girlfriend, ganon. So, feeling mo ba na magalit ka sa akin?
Actually, no. Kasi example, if ako yung high-key, tapos ikaw yung low-key, am I
Oo.
right? Kasi, for me pala, I feel love if you keep posting me. Kasi, ang daming may nag-aaway ng ganito. Kasi they want to be posted as much on social media.
Yeah.
Pero, on the other hand, yung partner nila gusto lang low-key. Kasi, yun nga, ayaw nila ng sobrang, everything's out there. So, feeling ko it's a matter of having compromising with each other, meeting
Yeah.
halfway. Na example, if ako, I want you to post me, and you don't want to post as much. Siguro, let's meet halfway. Siguro, i-post mo ako, pero kahit once lang.
Baka gusto kasi like parang, ako gusto lang kita itago kasi I don't want people na, yung gano'n. Like,
Oo, no? Kasi,
Oo.
kasi iba din kaya tinatago nila. Or like, they keep it private kasi yung may mga predators out there na
Yeah.
parang, nope, no, you can't have her. This is
Yeah.
my girl. No. Pero in a
Yeah.
way na, not naman obsessive and controlling yung iba. Kaya ganun. They just want...
protective lang
Oo,
talaga.
Protective lang.
Yeah.